San Juan City Mayor Francis Zamora has come up with a gem of an idea, a drainage master scheme to integrate each city's drainage plans whose waterways are all interlinked. This as the DPWH's Kontrabaha operations have made a dent, especially in those living in perennial flood hotspots in the megacity like along G. Araneta Avenue in Quezon City. Our Gab Humilde has more.
Alexis has been a resident near G. Araneta Avenue in Barangay Tatalon, Quezon City for almost 2 decades. According to him, during the rainy season, flooding in their area used to last for 3 to 4 hours whenever the San Juan River overflowed. Now, it only takes about an hour for the floodwaters in their area to subside, thanks to the ongoing dredging in the river.
Ginawa nila dyan, malaki naman kasi mabilis bumaba yung tubig. Yung ginawa nila dyan na yung drainage.
Meanwhile, Marie expressed the hardships they suffered whenever their area flooded, as floodwaters would reach chest deep, especially when Typhoon Karina hit. Also because of the government's off-plan kontrabaha, her anxiety that floodwaters would enter their house has been reduced.
Salamat sa Diyos, dito naman naisipan na ipagawa ng ganyan kasi malaking tulong din po sa amin na mga dito nakatira.
Meanwhile, the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH has deployed their heavy-duty flood mitigating pump to Alido Bridge along Zapote River in Las Piñas City to mitigate rising water levels and keep residents and communities safe. According to Metro Manila Council President and San Juan City Mayor Francis Zamora, having a drainage master plan in Metro Manila is crucial. He said cities must integrate their plans into their drainage planning because waterways in the National Capital Region are interconnected. Proper planning for the construction of pumping stations is also necessary, placing them in the right locations with proper coordination between the DPWH and the LGUs.
We need more infrastructure projects. We need to improve drainage systems. Lakihan po ito because meron pa rin mga ibang drainage systems sa Metro Manila na maliliit pa. So yung volume ng tubig ay hindi niya kinakaya. So kailangan lakihan po ang mga drainage systems para yung volume ng tubig mas malaki ang kayanin niya. Ang mga LGUs naman po will be supportive always of any intervention that will help our people. Kasi at the end of the day po, kami po ang hahanapan ng aksyon ng aming mga mamamayan. Pag may baha, kami naman po ang pupuntahan. Kami po ang lalapitan ng ating mga mamamayan. So we really need to closely coordinate always with each other when it comes to infrastructure projects.
He added that Metro Manila residents must also be disciplined regarding waste disposal, which is cited as one of the reasons for flooding in the NCR. One of the steps taken by the MMC is passing a resolution that updates their ordinances on waste disposal to increase fines for improper disposal, where fines for those caught dumping trash in undesignated areas will reach up to 5,000 pesos.
But now at 5,000 pesos, dito nga po sa San Juan, first, second, third, or any subsequent offense nyo, pagdating sa maling pagtapon ng basura, 5,000 piso agad ang multa. So ito po yung ginagawa natin upang madisiplina ating mga mamamayan. At dapat ako for me, dapat even without any penalty, even without any ordinance, dapat matuto na po tayo sapagkat ang disiplinang isa sa buhay natin ay makakatulong nga po upang maiwasan na rin natin ang pagbabaha na ating nararanasan.
Mayor Zamora has a message for the public as the effects of the southwest monsoon or habagat continue in Metro Manila.
Sa mga kababayan natin sa Metro Manila, ang nais ko pong ipaabot sa inyo, ang inyo pong mga lokal na pamahalaan, katuwang po ang ating pamahalang nasyonal ay nagtatrabaho ng mabuti para ho maibsan ang problema ng pagbabaha. Alam po natin, kasalukuyan pa rin natin nararanasan po ang pagbabaha, ngunit tuloy-tuloy rin po ang aming pagsusumikap upang mabawasan po ito. May mga tungkulin din po kaming dapat kampanan upang siguraduhin ang mga proyekto at programa para po maibsan ang pagbabaha ay nagagawa po ng tapat at maayos at ang lahat ng pondo na inilalaan po para dito ay dapat po mapakinabangan po ng ating mga mamamayan.
Gab Humilde Villegas for the Nation.